So what's up guys? For today's video, gagawa tayo ng no reaction challenge. So instruction, isang kagat and after that one, dapat walang reaction. Or let's say what will be their reaction. Okay? So check natin, sabay-sabay tayo para
Sige,
the
sabay-sabay
more
tayo.
the merrier daw eh.
Everyone, okay, dali.
Okay, one, two.
Sige. Dali. Okay, one. Insert tag. Ato mo yung tagkong nga taan. Okay. Okay. One, two, three, go.
Ay, magkatawa sih.
Mabutaan mo na tayo. Aslom sa.
Abi ko, kuan. Abi ko, atlong.
Si ma'am na kuwan.
Mas